The 8th of May 2040 at 11:30. National Design Studio in Southwark has received 12 calls. Here are the messages we have prioritised for you.
Yeah, hi Malika, it's Adam from the Food Bank team. We're running a bit late for our 12 o'clock with you. Our supplier sent a new batch of feast protein bugs, so we're going to bring them along too. Might need you to adjust the recipe cards. See you in a bit.
Good morning. This is the National Design Service calendar bot, reminding you that your studio is moving to Tower Hamlets a week from today. NDS Central will be dropping off the pallets and boxes later today to help you prepare for your move. Today's forecast for London SE1, Southwark. High of 37 degrees, low of 27 degrees, humidity 63%, air pollution, high. We have switched on a higher setting for the pollen cladding.
Hi Mum, I can't get hold of you on your phone, so I'm ringing your office, okay? Grandma's feeling really unwell. I've put cold compresses on her arms and her back like you said. But the water in the tap isn't very cold, so what do I do now? It's Adama, by the way. AI, this is for my mum. Blessing. Please prioritise this message.